The video is about removing the ransomware called NOKOYAWA. NOKOYAWA is a ransomware type infection which is able to essentially damage the files that customers store on their computers. The ransomware encrypts the files and does not allow people to use them anymore. Before the ransomware attack, of course, it is not a problem to open any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. But this is what happens after the ransomware attack. The point is that because of certain vulnerabilities in the existing security system of the specific computer, this NOKOYAWA ransomware may be injected into the device. Customers then suddenly realize that something bad has happened with their files and that they cannot use their data anymore. This is because the ransomware encrypts the files and damages them essentially. So typically after customers restart their computers, they soon notice some strange alterations into the way things are arranged on their desktop. By the way, the desktop background may also be changed, and customers also then see a scary message mentioning that the files have been encrypted. Indeed, this is true, they have been encrypted, and when you try to open this specific file, you get a message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the NOKOYAWA extension. Now, please carefully follow my recommendation. First of all, I recommend you to go to the task manager of your computer. It could be that you will find some suspicious processes like this one with the long random name. You should right-click on it and end its task. This is crucial because this will help you to save some of the files and terminate the further file encryption. Then I recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware. My suggestion is that you use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the software and start researching your device with its help. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only this quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database for proper malware or ransomware detection and will then begin researching your system. Pay attention to certain features of Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders on your system that will always be under the protection against ransomware attacks. But this feature is a part of the premium license. Keep this in mind. At the end of the scanning, you will see the information about all the threats revealed during the scan. You may remove some of them manually, but we do recommend that you upgrade to Premium to remove all these threats automatically, and this is the best way to keep your files always safe and secure from further ransomware attacks.